Hello eco-warriors! We're diving into the world of conscious cleaning, exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. Life can get incredibly hectic when juggling a demanding career, family responsibilities, and social commitments. It's easy to let house cleaning slide down your priority list, but nobody enjoys living in a cluttered, dirty home. Prioritize tasks. Creating a cleaning schedule is the first step in maintaining a clean home while balancing a busy lifestyle. This schedule should outline specific cleaning tasks and allocate time for them. Start by prioritizing tasks based on importance and frequency. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Daily quick cleanups. Begin with daily quick cleanups. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily tidying up high-traffic areas such as the kitchen and living room. Wipe down surfaces, put away clutter, and sweep or vacuum as needed. Consistency in these small daily efforts will prevent dirt and mess from piling up. Weekly cleaning routine. Designate 1 or 2 days a week for more extensive cleaning. This could include dusting, mopping, and thoroughly cleaning the bathroom. Breaking down the tasks throughout the week can make them feel more manageable and less overwhelming. Set aside time for decluttering. A cluttered home can make cleaning seem like an impossible task. To prevent clutter from taking over, set aside time regularly to declutter your living spaces. It's amazing how much cleaner your home can look and feel when surfaces are clear of unnecessary items. 1 in, 1 out rule. Implement the 1 in, 1 out rule for items in your home. When you bring something new in, like a new piece of clothing or a gadget, make it a habit to donate or get rid of something you no longer need. This helps maintain a balanced and clutter-free environment. Quality cleaning supplies. Having the right cleaning supplies can significantly reduce the time and effort you spend cleaning. Invest in quality cleaning products that are effective and efficient. Look for multipurpose cleaners and microfiber cloths that can easily tackle various surfaces. Vacuum cleaner with attachments. A good vacuum cleaner with versatile attachments can make a difference in keeping your floors clean. It allows you to reach corners, crevices, and upholstery effortlessly. Consider a vacuum with a HEPA filter to improve air quality in your home. Involve family members. If you live with roommates or family members, you should include them when you create a cleaning routine. Allocate certain tasks to every person to share the responsibilities. This lightens your load and promotes teamwork and accountability within the household. Consider professional help. Consider hiring professional cleaning services for tasks requiring more time or expertise. They can deep clean your home periodically, handling carpet or window washing. While it comes at a cost, it can be a valuable investment in maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. Utilize storage solutions. Staying organized can save you a lot of time when cleaning. Invest in storage solutions such as bins, baskets, and shelves to keep items neatly organized. Labeling containers can help you quickly locate what you need, reducing the time spent searching for things. Digital reminders. Use digital tools and reminders to help you stay on track with your cleaning schedule. Set up recurring calendar events or smartphone notifications to prompt you when to tackle specific cleaning tasks. This can be especially helpful for those with busy, unpredictable schedules. Combine activities. As a busy professional, making the most of your time is essential. Combine cleaning activities with other tasks whenever possible. For example, while waiting for your morning coffee to brew, you can wipe down kitchen counters or load the dishwasher. Music and podcasts. Listening to your favorite music or podcasts can make cleaning more enjoyable and time efficient. Create a playlist of upbeat tunes or educational podcasts to keep you motivated while you work through your cleaning checklist. Celebrate achievements. Lastly, don't forget to reward yourself for a job well done. Celebrate your cleaning achievements, whether big or small. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, like a relaxing bath, a favorite snack, or a movie night. Recognizing your efforts can motivate you to keep your home clean and organized. Maintaining a clean and organized home isn't daunting, which applies to busy professionals. By creating a cleaning schedule, decluttering regularly, investing in time-saving tools, delegating responsibilities, staying organized, multitasking efficiently, and rewarding yourself, you can achieve a spotless home without sacrificing your precious time and energy. Incorporate these cleaning tips into your routine, and you'll enjoy the benefits of a clean and welcoming living space amidst your busy life. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.